Uyaqhubeka umbukisi Africa's Travel Indaba lona ngomunye embukisi emkhulu kakhulu kwezokuvakasha ezwenikazi Africa.
Between the 4th and the 10th of September, we are appealing to local companies to give 50% discount packages.
Yes.
And in return for that, what we will do is that we will market all their establishments. And already many businesses responded to that. So I want to encourage South Africans to buy those packages. They can use it whenever they have time.
Ibamba lezikhulu eziphezulu kwezokuvakasha kuleli uNomasonto Ndlovu uthi ke kwanzima eminyakeni emibili edlule njengoba bekunomqedazwe COVID-19 ngakho ke kulonyaka babuye ngamandla.
We are here, we are back at eThwekini and the province, bringing the Africa's largest travel exhibition, the Africa's Travel Indaba. It's been very tricky in the past 2 years since the COVID-19, so this is a very, very important year that we are back in full swing.
uNdlovu uthi baphume ngomningi abantu abaze kulombukiso.
There is over 1,800 buyers that we have invited as South African tourism from all over the world that are coming to buy what South Africa and Africa has to offer.
Ugcizelele ukuthi lo mbukiso uzosiza kakhulu nasekuvuleni amathuba omsebenzi kanti uzophinda ube nomthelelo omuhle kwezomnotho kuleli. Uthe kwakulonyaka baqinisekise kakhulu ukuthi kukwelinye izinga ukusebenza ngokubambisana kwabo njengezwekazi Africa. Silindo kuhle ngidi indabeni ze SABC.